Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use VPN on Discord. First, we need to understand what a VPN does. A VPN or virtual private network routes your internet connection through a secure server in another location. This hides your real IP address and can help protect your privacy while you use Discord. Start by choosing a reliable VPN provider. Look for one that offers fast speeds and stable connections because Discord voice and video calls can be sensitive to delays. Providers like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, ProtonVPN, and Mullvad are popular options. Make sure the service you choose has servers in locations you need and that it does not log your activity. Once you have chosen a VPN provider, download their app for your device. Then, log in using your account details. Next, you will select a server location. If your goal is simply privacy, pick a server close to your real location for the best speed. If you need to appear in a different country, choose a server there. After you select the location, click Connect. Wait until the VPN app confirms you are connected. Now open Discord. Once the VPN is connected, all your Discord traffic will go through the VPN server. Your IP address will show as the VPN's IP and your real one will be hidden. If you experience lag in voice chat, try switching to a VPN server that is geographically closer to the Discord voice server you are using. This can help lower ping and improve call quality. After connecting your VPN, you can confirm it is working by visiting a site like whatismyip.com in your web browser. This site will show your current IP address and location. If it displays the VPN server's IP and location instead of your real one, then your VPN is active. Finally, remember that using a VPN for privacy is fine, but using it to evade bans or break Discord's rules can result in your account being banned. Always follow Discord's terms of service. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.